So just a number 5 all over.
All over, yep, yep.
That's it. Ready for it?
Yep.
Ready for it?
Yeah. I've always had, I think it's about 14. I've always had short haircut. Then the fashion came in, you had to wear long hair about 60s or 70s. That drove me crazy.
Yeah, do you know, like, it's many of my customers now, they ask me to do buzz cut style. Yeah. Your one is not buzz cut, your one is just number 5 all over. I wish...
that's what I'll come in next time, we'll do the buzz cut, okay?
Yeah, I wish you like to do buzz cut for you, but like you like it to be like that anyway.
Yeah, well, funny thing, you know, every time I go in, I ask them for a crew cut.
Yeah?
They always give me a 4, what if they ask me 4 or 5? I know them, they don't know what a crew cut is. So I said, give me a 5.
Yeah, you know, like, most of the, I tell you, like, people, like, they ask for short skin fade, 0 fade on the sides, number 3 or 4 on top.
So
which is this one?
You can do a buzz cut, can you?
Like, do you know buzz cut? The buzz cut should be short from the size 1 from top.
Yeah, just a little bit longer on the top, yeah.
Yeah, so number 5 on top, but I have to go short from the sides. You want to go short from the sides?
And I just give me a 5.
Yeah, because I asked you at the beginning, you say, like, I want to just number 5, yeah.
Just give me a 5.
Yeah, that's why, yeah. Like, because the buzz cut, I have to go short from the sides. Like, I have to keep the difference between the sides and the top.
Yeah,
I asked you at the beginning, if you remember, you know, like I asked you, like if you do it like short from the sides, but you say I want to just number 5.
I'm one of those persons that if I'm asked one question, I'll give them an answer. Then they ask me the same question, I'll give them a different answer.
No, because you say now you want to try the buzz cut. The buzz cut, short on the sides, long, not long on top, but a little bit longer on the top than the sides. So yeah, man.
I've been an old photo from 60 years ago, 70 years ago. I was going to go up to that dodgy dude the other week. I looked at them, I said, oh, they won't know how to haircut hair.
What's happened?
I didn't go in.
Oh yeah?
I've been here before, that's why I come here.
Yeah, very welcome, sir. How long since last haircut?
Oh, to be honest, I don't know. Be a fair while.
It's 6 months or more?
Pardon?
6 months or more than that?
Oh no, it wouldn't be that long. I don't think so. It grows pretty quick, my hair.
Yeah, because looking for your hair, the length of your hair right now, I thought it's at least 6 months since last haircut.
It could have been.
Yeah. It's alright, I got a customer of mine actually, like after I done his haircut, every time he say like, see you next year. He did a haircut once a year.
I like it when they say, you want to shave too early?
Yeah.
He shaved every 3 months.
He shaved it zero on the top actually. And every time they like ask him to record it, and every time I do it, you know.
Some of the daughters are famous now. I got my father in the barber shop. Thank you.
Welcome, sir. Because you asked for just number 5 all over, so I will do the back like a straight line for you. Because usually I do it, I tape it at the back, do taper. In your situation, I will do just line.
Be honest, I don't care.
You want to do taper at the back?
No, that's right. Do it as you want.
No, if you
No, do it as you want.
if you want it as I want, I'm gonna do taper at the back.
No, no worries. I'm just happy to get my hair cut.
Do you know, like your haircut actually very easy, very easy. So I like to give me some challenge, man.
No.
I would like if you give me some challenge.
There's a challenge coming here.
Like, you know, like if you ask for one number all over, sometimes, you know, like I don't like it because, you know, like it's just like you put the clipper and just like move the clipper on the head and that's it. There's no technique, nothing,
no
you know,
style,
no style at it. So that's why, you know, like I tell you at the beginning, you should do like a bit. Even it's like very easy for me, you know, like to do it, but I don't like it because
No, you like a little bit of challenge.
I like something, you know, like
Challenge.
because I tell you I like my job, so I don't do it just for money. I do it for fun also. Would you like to trim the eyebrows?
No.
Leave the eyebrows?
I'm not meeting any girls. I ain't gonna meet grandmother.
How old are you?
84.
84. So you think you are old or young?
My body's getting old now,
Yeah?
but the mind's real young. The mind's young.
Yeah, but actually, like, old or young is like, it's about your position, where you are.
Yeah.
Like, for example, like you are older than me, but you are young than another because there's someone around older than you actually.
Yeah, that's what I said to my daughter. Like,
So,
say you got to do this, you got to do that. I said, I'm happy. I'm too old to worry about anything.
yeah, sometimes my customers, they say like, I'm 80, I'm old. Yeah, but there's some people 90, some of them 100, so you're younger than them.
Yeah.
So you're young.
In fact, I'm dating a friend for once. The only friend I got left, and he's 1 month older than me. He's 84 too. Well done. Thank you.
All good?
Yes. So I'm going to wash my hair anyway, that shower.
Yeah, but just clean around your ears, so you're not gonna get any itchies.
Geez, I won't have a shower now. It'll smell nice.
Yeah. It's a color. Ooh.
I'm happy. I'm happy if you're happy.
If you are happy, I'm happy actually.